Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to go through the Australian US dollar as price hit our full targets. So we're just going to break down the market. We're going to see what could potentially happen next for the Aussie. The Australian dollar, it was the strongest currency last week as we highlighted in our market outlook. If you want to check that out, you can go see that on Blueberry Markets/blog, and you can check that out there. You can also see it on a previous YouTube video as well. So in that Forex market outlook, we discussed the potential for the Australian dollar to be it's the strongest currency, but could potentially roll over because of where price is. So first of all, let's break down the trade. Why we took the trade, what was the position. So you can see here that the market formed an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. Now this is really important because this is what we want to be following midterm, okay? Because the 4-hour time frame to me is a good midterm sort of area of support and resistance. Now when the market comes back into previous structure highs, I want to be looking for the market to continue to the upside, okay? I want the market to find support, push higher. So what we looked for was a buying opportunity right down at that close there. We just about got clipped into the trade, so it was a really good area to get long. I think we went 3 pips offside, so the drawdown was 3 pips and the market rallied to our 100 pip target. Okay, so once we've hit those targets, it's about assessing the market. What happens now? Okay, now because our strength and weakness analysis suggested that price could fall, it's just looking at the market and saying to ourselves, well, where could it fall from? Now this area of resistance is something that we spotted before back here. The market's now back at this again, so are we going to start seeing some sellers creep back into the market? At the moment it seems to be that the buyers are very much in control, really strong bullish close. So what I'm really looking for is how's the market going to react to this area currently? Are we going to see a double top pattern form here, or are we just going to continue to break higher and look for the next area of resistance? So for me, I want to stick with that 4-hour trend. Now the 4-hour low currently is here, so the market's got to drop quite a bit to get back to that point to get short. So that to me seems a little bit unrealistic at the moment. So what I expect to happen, if price moves lower back into these highs without changing cyclicity, I expect the market to rally again back up into these swing highs. Then if the market finds some kind of resistance once again, maybe we'll form a lower high here or form a double top pattern here, then I expect the market to break lower at that point, if and only if the market does find resistance at this level. That's just one potential opportunity we could look for. So while price is still in an uptrend, look for the market to pull back into this level again. Look for the long opportunity into the key resistance. If it does reject, then we're looking for that potential rollover in that Aussie strength. Okay, you can even look at the daily time frame, see how the daily chart reacts here before looking for any type of opportunity. It looks to me like the market has pulled back into a key area of resistance where we could see a continuation. If we actually look at the weekly time frame really quickly, we can see that the market's just pulled back into an area of resistance. Let me just get rid of all this. It's just from the template. Template on MetaTrader saves everything that you've got on there, so that's irrelevant information for this chart. So the market has come back into this area of resistance where it found support last on this weekly time frame. So again, watching this area, price has spotted into it earlier in the week already. So, it's only Monday's trading, so are we going to start seeing a rejection of that for the rest of the week potentially? Keep an eye on Aussie, it's going to be one to watch. I hope you enjoyed this video update, and I'll speak to you in the next one.